A massive crane has tipped over in downtown Sacramento, blocking a road and a sidewalk. ABC 10's Luke Clary just got to the scene. Luke, what can you tell us?
Hi, Kurt. Yes, we're standing here on 12th and K Street. We're right outside of a restaurant called Tequila Museo Mayoel. And as you can see, this massive crane, a boom crane that was working on, actually, if we can get a look up top of this building here where they're adding another story, that's what they were working on. It tipped over. And fortunately, I can tell you right now that we know, as far as we understand, nobody has been hurt.
I'm sorry, I'm going to have to ask you to not be in this area.
Okay, and it looks... Yes. Okay, well, we came in through this restaurant. We're being asked now to just move from this area for safety. So we'll head back into the restaurant now. But as you just heard, there's still working crews here to remove this huge crane from this street. It's been blocked off to traffic and pedestrians, and staff here at this restaurant telling us that they heard it coming down with a huge crash. It sounded like an earthquake. The windows were shaking here, and that's really about all the information that we can share with you right now. We'll stay here on this scene to try to learn what we can as we're being guided back inside the restaurant. And again, we'll share with you just as much as we can as soon as that information becomes available to us. Keep you updated, Kurt.